So this is what we're going to be rebuilding today. We've got bushes for that, and for that. So yeah, we're going to get on with this, and hopefully we get it all done. So sorry about the noise, but I'm just going to show you the play in the round, for example. Well, you can see the play in the 180 bushes there. So that's why that's getting done. There's also a bit of play in the round there, and there is a bit of play in that as well. So it's good to get this all done. So first things first, I'm going to hook the gantry onto that, and I'm just going to support the arm. I think what I'm going to do is rebush this ram first. So I've taken the locking bolt out. I'll just push this pin out. It is supported by the ram there, but I'll just knock that pin out. I know it's not straight, but it does the job. It's only taking a little bit of weight, but it's out. It's hard to see in that, but I can feel, you can see some of the wear in that pin. So now what I'll do, I'll just lift it up on the gantry. Right, now I can do the bushes and the bush on the ram. So what's nice about this is because the bush is only that long, it can fit in the middle. So I'm going to use the sort of porta power with a hollow ram, and I'm going to pull them into the middle from either side and just switch it round, and then I'm going to get on with that one afterwards. But it should all come out fairly simple, or fairly easily. It's quite nice having it there. It's quite accessible and workable, really. So for the other side, I struggled to get the hollow ram to work properly, but on this one, I managed to get it working properly. So I'm glad I got a good setup for it, because now I can do the rest. So I've got all the bushes out for the main ram. I'm just going to take this pin out and bush out there now, and then what I'm thinking is I'll put bushes in back in those, and then my plan is to unbolt those two 180 pins and track backwards, which should give me enough room to work around it, hopefully. Annoyingly, on the king post casting here, it's very difficult to get anything in there. So I found the only way I could get them out was with a hammer and a bar, really, to just knock them all out. They're all sided as well, as you can see there. But yeah, there's just no way to get to them easily with the RAM and all the sort of spaces and everything. To protect the casting from any damage, we decided to rest one side of the casting on the fixed point on the machine itself. So you can see it's sort of lifted up and hooked onto the fixed part on the machine, and then we're hammering it out because there's obviously a little bit of give in them where they're sort of outright with no support underneath them. This helped just knock it out, and they all came out fairly easily.
Take your hand. Oh, that hurt my hand. You could hear that.
Apparently I wasn't too overjoyed by hitting my hand with the hammer, so Kurt took over. So let's see what's for dinner. More peas. Not the dumplings. Ah, perfect. Using my copper hammer here, we decided it'd be quickest and easiest to just knock them all in with the hammer. Where they'd all been in the fridge, they went in fairly easily. It wasn't too much abuse in them that we thought it'd be any risk of damaging anything. I tapped the bottom one in so it was just roughly in place, and then we found it easier just to use the hollow ram again to put it back in place. Using the 180 ram here, I put the pin back in and then pulled. I just literally retracted the ram, which pulled the whole sort of 180 casting into the machine, and then I was able to just move it left and right, sort of to locate the pins quite easily. Annoyingly, I was trying to see if I could feed the top pins through the cable, the hydraulic cables, like we sort of removed it, but I couldn't, so I had to set the top ram off again, the main ram off again, just so we could slide it in from the top down. Of course I'd run out of grease while I'm videoing it, so obviously I just changed the tube and carried on. Good. hope you all enjoyed the video. Like after doing the 180 pins, we decided to do everything. All of the parts were fairly inexpensive from Dig Bits and really easily accessible. Yeah, it just made sense to get on and do everything really. So we did the king post, as you saw. We did all of the sort of rams and that one there for the dipper, and we even did the tipping link on the bucket end. And yeah, it's taken everything out of it. It's like brand new now, so it's really nice. So as I say, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you are interested, I might do a sort of sped up Billy Whiz version of all of the other pins. So there, I can't really see that around there. Somewhere there, but anyway, you know where they are. But yeah, if you're interested, I might post that. But until the next one, take care.